Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor your microphone or any kind of audio on your computer when you're using OBS. So maybe you added music to this and you want to go ahead and just hear the music in your ears. Well, it's easy to do. Just go on over to the audio mixer right here, going down to the little settings options right here and select this, and it'll open up this page, Advanced Audio Properties. And then we can increase or decrease the decibels of our microphone under here. So we don't have to go to filters and add a gain or anything like that. We can just come directly to this section. And then we got the balance left or right and mono if we want. But what I wanted to show you was audio monitoring. So I can go to my microphone right now, go to monitor and output, and then I can hear myself. Otherwise, monitor only and mute output. That means it's not going to be picked up in the stream, but I'm going to hear it in my headset. So monitor and output, we can just hear ourselves now and see if our microphone is good or not. So a lot of times you'll just see in the audio mixer and you won't actually know what it will sound like. So just come to this section, go to audio monitoring, and you'll be able to hear it and test it out. So this is probably good too if you got like maybe like a video playing in the background or your desktop audio or something, whatever, just so you can get like an idea of where it would be on this mixer right here. Sometimes it's probably way off compared to how it is. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.